Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of 3 top self-hosted Notion alternatives: AppFlowy, AFFiNE, and Anytype. All the 3 tools aim to replace Notion, but they take very different approaches. And by the end of this video, you know exactly which platform is best for your workflow. If you're a student, you're a creator, an entrepreneur, a developer, a researcher, or even a part of a growing team. So let's get started. We start with AppFlowy. AppFlowy has become one of the most popular open source productivity platforms on the market. It was originally created as a privacy-focused alternative to Notion, but over the years it has evolved into a complete workspace for notes, project management, databases, documentation, team collaboration, and even AI-powered workflows. It is open sourced, it supports self-hosting, and gives users far more control over their information than traditional cloud-based productivity apps. The platform combines documents, databases, wikis, Kanban boards, calendars, project tracking tools, and AI features into a single workspace. Instead of jumping between multiple applications, you can manage most of your work from one place. Now let us talk about AFFiNE. It's one of the most exciting newcomers in the productivity space because it doesn't simply copy Notion. Instead, it combines document editing, whiteboarding, mind mapping, and knowledge management into a unified workspace. What makes AFFiNE especially interesting is its hybrid approach to information. Traditional note-taking tools usually force users into either document mode or visual mode, and AFFiNE allows you to seamlessly switch between structured documents and visual whiteboards without losing context. This creates a much more flexible environment for brainstorming, planning projects, designing workflows, studying complex topics, and organizing research. Now let us talk about Anytype. If privacy is your absolute top priority, Anytype might be the most interesting platform in this comparison, because Anytype is built around a local-first and encrypted architecture. Unlike traditional productivity software that stores your information on centralized servers, Anytype treats your data as something you own completely. The philosophy behind Anytype is often described as creating a personal internet. So instead of storing notes inside a company's cloud, your knowledge exists in a decentralized environment where you maintain ownership and control. This makes Anytype particularly appealing for users who are concerned about privacy, long-term accessibility, and digital independence. Now let us talk about the main features. We start with AppFlowy. It is open sourced, has self-hosting support, it has a rich document editor, has Notion-style databases, it has Kanban boards, calendar views, has wiki creation, and AI-powered writing assistance. There's also an AppFlowy for mobile, which means you can work on the go when you download the app on App Store or on Google Play Store. There's local AI model support. There's offline first functionality and real-time collaboration for teams. How about the main features of AFFiNE? It's also an open source platform, has self-hosting support, document editor, whiteboard integration, mind mapping capabilities, knowledge graph functionality, rich content embedding, database collections, local first architecture, team collaboration tools as well, and AI-powered assistance. One of AFFiNE's standout features is the ability to connect visual thinking with traditional note-taking. So instead of separating documents and whiteboards, they coexist within the same workspace. This makes AFFiNE particularly attractive for creative professionals and visual thinkers. Now let's talk about the main features of Anytype. It has local first architecture, end-to-end encryption, open source development, object-based knowledge management, graph-style relationships, offline functionality, cross-device synchronization, self-hosting capabilities, collaborative spaces even, and custom object types. The biggest strength of Anytype is the feeling of complete ownership. Nobody's mediating the connection between you and your devices. So even when you're offline, the application continues to work normally because your information lives on your devices. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, there's a free open source part of AppFlowy and there's a paid plan. There's a Pro plan, which is most popular at $10 per month when billed annually, and there is also the AppFlowy Cloud and the self-hosted plans separately. For AFFiNE, there's the free forever plan, There's a Pro plan at $6.75 per month, and there's a Teams plan at $10 per month. And then there's the self-hosted part, like I earlier mentioned with AppFlowy, which is also a free forever one and a Teams plan. And with Anytype, there's equally a free plan. There's a Plus plan at $4 per month, a Pro plan at $8 per month, and an Ultra plan at $16 per month when billed annually. But if you do a monthly one, the prices jump up. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using these platforms. We start with the pros for AppFlowy. It has strong self-hosting support, excellent privacy controls, and also cross-platform syncing over devices. And the pros of AFFiNE has unique documented whiteboard combination, is excellent for brainstorming, and has modern user interface. And the pros of Anytype: exceptional privacy, end-to-end encryption, and local first design. How about the cons? For AppFlowy, there's a smaller integration ecosystem, and certain self-hosted collaboration features may require additional setup. How about the cons for AFFiNE? Database functionality is still catching up to Notion and AppFlowy. The self-hosting can require more technical efforts, and there's a smaller ecosystem compared to older competitors. And the cons of Anytype: there's a steeper learning curve associated with it as well, and it may feel unfamiliar to new users. It is less traditional than Notion. Now, after looking at all these three platforms, it's easy to see why they consistently rank among the best self-hosted Notion alternatives that are available today. So here's a little recommendation and recap. So choose AppFlowy if you want the best Notion replacement. I'd say choose AFFiNE if you want visual thinking and whiteboard integration. Then you can choose Anytype if you want privacy and ownership. And that's it on the review of the three self-hosted Notion alternatives that are at the top right now. If you're looking at other alternatives, you may try Obsidian, Logseq, and Outline. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.